and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Do you know, AI is putting people left and right out of business, which can be scary for some people. But for us, we see this as an opportunity. It's an opportunity that allows us to profit from. One of the industries that got hit severely is video editing. AI will soon replace every one of them. But if you are someone looking to exploit that to make money like this, then listen up. We created world's first AI app that lets you record, screen capture, and edit your videos in just 60 seconds without installing any extension. It is everything that an experienced video editor can do, only 9 times better and faster than anyone. Not just that, it also creates screen recording and takes screen capture for your video within a fraction of the time. Here are the amazing features blow up your mind. Record your screen with 1 click without installing any software, take screenshot of entire screens from laptop in easy manner, edit any videos like Pro in just a few clicks, create and make animated videos with AI, generate subtitles for your video automatically, add a logo to your video without any difficulties, compress your video to the size that you desire, cut the video to the perfect length instantly, join several videos together to double the video fun, get the wrong angle when shooting? Get right by rotating video. Cut your video in several parts and clicks. Edit video subtitles, captions online. Upload a video or photo and create a meme in seconds. Convert text to creative images with an AI image generator. Convert MP4 to MP3 online for free in seconds. Resize video online to fit different social media platforms. Convert audio files to MP3 with a few clicks. Convert your audio files to MP3 or WAV format quickly. Share your online screenshot in just a few clicks. Download your online screenshot in just a few clicks. Share your screen online in just a few clicks. Download your screen online in just a few clicks. Set up subdomains and advanced SSL. No domain and hosting required. Free SSL included, no technical skills required. 24/7 premium support to solve all your issues on time. Commercial license included. All of those videos were generated with the power of our specialized AI engine with zero work or experience. All we did was tell our AI what we wanted to generate, and that's it. Without designing anything, without recording anything, and without editing or montaging anything. Not only does AI Screensnap generate, edit, and montage any video you want, it also comes with over 50 other video tools completely powered by AI and tons of other features. Not just that, it also generates any image or design you may need in your videos. Listen, you don't need any kind of experience to get started with AI Screensnap. All you need is to click a few buttons and that's it. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1, log into AI Screensnap AI Dashboard. Step 2, select the feature you want for your video. AI will do all the work for you. Step 3, enjoy. AI will give you your new video within seconds. That's it. AI Screensnap works for everyone. Affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, e-com store owners, agency owners, and anyone who is looking to make a side income online. How much is this going to cost me? In simple words, AI Screensnap is priceless. It's the first to market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profits. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money for using AI Screensnap, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I should give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you access of AI Screensnap for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running AI Screensnap, but that won't last long. While AI Screensnap is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licensees I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you. And in the unlikely event that you failed to use AI Screensnap for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Click the button below and get access to AI Screensnap plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.
Pocket's top saved stories of the week, January 2024. The low-lift ways you can better your life this year. How to pack a bag full of memories in case disaster strikes.